Want to know how to fix Facebook dating not showing? Well, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I will show you how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So first of all, we will open up the Facebook application here, and then we will tap on our profile image onto the top right here, and then we will scroll down and click on help and support, and then we will click on report a problem, and then we will click on continue to report a problem, because we actually have to report this problem. Okay, if Facebook dating feature is not showing, then we actually have to report this problem. Okay, so we will click on include in report, and you can actually choose any option from here. Let's suppose if we choose this one, camera, and then we have to actually describe the issue here. So you will write something like this here: uh, Facebook dating feature is not showing in my account. Please fix it ASAP. And then you just have to send this message to the Facebook team, and they will get back to you in 1 to 3 days, and they will fix it for you. So that's it guys for this video. We hope that you enjoyed our video. You can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and if you have any kind of question regarding this video, you can ask us from in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you have a fantastic day.